Hello students, welcome to Sumaya English Primary School, and today's subject is maths and the chapter is 9 and the name of the chapter is HCF and LCM. What do you mean by HCF? HCF means the highest common factor and the LCM will be the least common factors. Here we will see the factors. Factors means what? Write all the factors of the given number. We will see the practice set 23 and list their common factors. Here is the number, first one, 12 and the 16. We have to write the factors. Factors means in which table the 12 number goes and in which table the 16 number goes. That means in the 1 table all the 12 goes, in the 2 table, in the 3, in the 4th table, in the 6th table and the 12 table. So these are the numbers which the 12 goes. That means the 12 itself also goes. That means we have to write the 12 also, and the 1 is the common things which comes in every numbers. These are the common, means these are the factors. We will not say now the common. These are only the factors of the 12. And the next is the 16. Now we will see in which number the 16 goes. 1 is the common things, in every table it goes, and the 2 and the 4 and 8 and the 16, because 16 itself also goes the table. Now we have written the factors. These are the factors, means the number which goes the table, that is the factors. Now the next step, the question was asked the common factors. We have to write the common factors. See, 1 1 is the common in this factor, that is the 12 and the 16. We have to write the common factors of 12 and 16. 2 is also common. 3, 12, in the factors 12 it is there, but in the 16 3 is not there. So this number is not the factor. The 4 is the common factor because in both the table, in both the 12 and the 16, in both the numbers the 4th table go. The 6, see, no common factors. 8 is also no, 12 and 16. So how many number is the common factors? 1, 2 and 4. So we will write the common factors of 12 and 16. That means this 12 and this 16's common factor is 1, 2 and 4. So this is the, in this way we have to find out the common factors. This is the common factors. Now next number will be the 21 and 24. Again we will write the factors. These are the factors, and last things we will write, that is the common factors. We will see in the 1 table, in the 3 table, 3 7s are 21, 7 3s are 21, and 21 itself it also goes. And next we will come to the 24. In 1 table, in 2 table also it goes, in 3 table also, 4 6s are 24 also it goes, 6 also it goes, 8 3s are 24 also it goes, in the 12 2s also it goes, and 24 itself also it goes. So these are the factors which we have written of the 21 and 24. Now we will see the common factor, that is the 1 is the common factors, 2 is not there, that means the 3 is the common factor. The remaining number is also not there. So what are the common factors? The common factors of 21 and 24 will be the 1 and 3. So in this way we have to find out the common factors. First we have to write the numbers, that means in which table this factor goes. Now next we will see the practice set 24. That means here we have to find out the HCF of the following numbers. HCF means what? That is the highest common factors. That was the LCM. LCM means it was the least common factors. HCF is the highest. Here first we have to find out the common factor also, and then afterwards we have to find out the HCF also. So now we will see the factors. First we will see about the 45. One number that is in the 1 table it also goes, 3 tables it also goes, in the 5 also it goes, 9 also it goes, in the 15 also it goes, and it goes in the 45 also. So in this way the 45 number goes in this table. Again we have written in the same things, and again we will go to the 30, that is in 1 table also, 2, the 3 table, 5 6 are 30, 6 5s are 30, 10 3s are 30 also it goes, the 15 table also it goes, and 30 itself. At the last when we are writing the number which we are finding the factor, that number also goes itself. So now again the one step came, common factors we have to write it down. 1 is the common, 3 is the common, 5 is the common factors, and the next last is the 15 is a common factor. So next step will be the common factors we have to write, that is a 1, 3, 5 and the 15. These 4 numbers are the common factors of 45 and 30. Now again the next step, the question is the HCF. HCF is highest. From this all the 4 number, which is the highest number, that is the 15. That means HCF of 45 and 30 is the 50. So in this exercise we have to write it down one more step, that is the HCF. We have to find out HCF in this way. This is the common things which we have done in the previous exercise also. Only one step is that is in common factor, which is the highest number, that will be the HCF of 45 and 30. Now the another is the 16 and the 48. In 1 table it goes, 2 8s are 16, then again 4 table, 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16 and 16 itself. Now again the 48 we will see 1, 2, in the 3 table also it goes, 4 table also, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So these are the numbers, the 48 goes. Now we will see the common factors. 1 is there, 2 is also common factors, and 4 is also common factors, and 8 is also there, and 16 is also there. So we will write the common factors now. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. So these are the common factors of 16 and 48. Now we will write the HCF. HCF means from all these numbers which is the highest common factor, highest number. So 16. So HCF of 16 and 48 is the 16.